What's the meaning of byte? Byte. Byte.
Byte. Byte. In computing, a byte is a unit of measurement that represents 8 bits. A bit is the basic unit of information in computing and can have a value of either 0 or 1. Bytes are used to represent characters, numbers, and other types of data in computer systems. For example, a single byte can represent one character such as a or a small number like 5. Larger amounts of data are measured in kilobytes, KB, megabytes, MB, gigabytes, GB, and beyond. The size of a file or storage device can be calculated in bytes, making it an important unit of measurement in computing.